Hi, KD2ETP back again. And today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the, what is it? Oh yeah, mx-p50a, which is one of these Chinese made kind of like for QRP rig linears or amplifier. And this one will do 80, 40, 20, 17, 10, and 15 meters. There's a little band adjust here which selects between the band, and there's also a button here for manual and auto tuning or auto switching. And then you got your power. So I'll give you a little closer look at that here real quick. Okay, so like I said, this shows the band, and you can, when it's on manual, you can pick between the actual band that you want to use. Auto, I don't have a cord hooked up for auto, and that's one thing I am going to look into on the kx3 to see if I can get a signal out that'll actually change the band automatically. This comes with a cord that originally was set up for the 817, but I had modified it and put an end on it so that I could use it for the kx3. And all this cord does now is actually, when I key up the radio, the kx3, it'll key this up. However, there may be a way, and I'll have to look into that to see if I can actually switch the bands with the KX3, and that's something that'll come at a later date. So it comes with the power cord, and as well as the cord for the 817, which I had to modify. So let's take a look at the back of the radio. On the back, obviously, you have your input and your antenna. So transceiver and antenna, the jack for your power, and the accessory jack, so that your radio can key it up when it keys up. So I'm going to get this set up here real quick. I'll put a SWR meter on. I'm also going to use the MFJ 9201. This supposedly will handle 100 watts. I'd be interested to see how it performs with this amplifier. And I did a video on this already that you can see with the Zygu 108G. So let me get this hooked up. I'll come back and then we'll play around a little bit and do some testing. Now I have the KX3 hooked up, and over here on the side, get over here so you can see it. I have that on the accessory 2 port, which is where it goes to key up the amplifier. As you can see, I'm on 40 meters right now, and that switches between the bands, manual. And then I got it hooked up to the tuner, and then out through the big one. I thought I'd use the big display so that we could get a better idea, or at least you could see it on a video better as far as output power as well as SWRs with the tuner. 2 Echo Tango Papa, Kilo Delta 2 Echo Tango Papa.
82 Echo Tango Papa. I believe I got that right in the name, please, sir.
Name here is Steve, and just listening on the band here, I heard you guys talking and asking if anybody else wanted to check in. I'm testing out, actually I got a KX3 hooked up to a 50 watt amp that I was wanted to check out, so I just wanted to make a contact. Go ahead.
Okay, what state? And I'm K5 VSP. I've been using it all the time.
QSL K5 VSB. I am in New York, central New York, Syracuse, right in the middle of the state.
Okay. All right. Steve. My name is Boss, Bravo Oscar Yankee Charlie Echo, and I'm in Arkansas, in the northeast corner of Arkansas, sounding great down this direction. So anything else you want to try out on it, make sure it works, over?
No, sir, but I appreciate your help, and I appreciate you coming back to me. Thanks for the QSO, and I'll be listening. I'm just going to mess around here with some stuff I'm doing in the shack, and I will be monitoring the frequency.
Okay, thank you, Steve.
Glad to make a contact on the air. It looks like the mx-p50a is doing exactly what it says it does. Seems to be a good match for the kx3, so I'll get it out in the field and we'll test it out there as well.